Hi guys, this is Sheikh, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Magento website using Magento framework. Here you can see I have already created one Magento website. You can see I have added a bestseller widget here and new products and a recently viewed widget also. I will show you how to create all these widgets in your Magento framework. And this is what you can see is this a static block, and I will show you how to create a static block also. All these are categories, and you can see their sub-menus are also subcategories. First I have created a category and then I added subcategories into each category, and then I added products in each subcategory. So just before starting to build this website, first we need to know that we need to download a Magento package from Magento store. Okay, here just minimize it first. Here, in order to download Magento store, you need to go to Magento Connect. There you need to register and you need to create an account. Once you get an account, you need to download Magento from there, and also you can download Magento sample data also. And now you can see I have already downloaded a Magento package from Magento Connect, and now I'm going to extract it. Just right click and click on extract here. Now it's extracting. Once the extraction is been completed, you need to come to your local server. In my case, I'm using XAMPP as a local server. Okay, then come to your C drive, find the XAMPP folder, and then click on htdocs, and then paste your extracted Magento folder here. Okay, now you can see the files are extracting. Takes some few seconds. You see it's about to complete. Now it's completely extracted. I'll just rename it. My online store. Okay, my online store. Okay, now just cut it by pressing Ctrl X and come to your XAMPP folder and then paste it over here. So you can see the folder is been successfully copied. So now to start your installation, first you need to go to your browser and you have to create a database. Just type in localhost and paste in my address and then click and then enter. And you can see there is an option of creating database. Let's click on that and create a new database by the name my online store. Okay, I just created. Here you can see the database is been created, and now we need to link or associate a user to the database. Okay, now just click on databases. Just beside my online store there is an option of check privileges. Just click on that to create a user. After that you will see there is an option of adding a user. Click on that. Online store, then click on local. Let's just start your password. Now set the privileges to your database. I want to give all the privileges to my database. Now just add a user. Okay, now our database has been created and a user has been assigned to our database. Now we need to go for our installation. Now to go for installation, or before installing our Magento package, I would like to say a few words on how we are going to conduct all this complete tutorial. Okay, now we have started our tutorial by discussing on registration. As I said, in order to download a Magento package, you need to register in Magento Connect and then log in and just download it. And if you want a sample data, you can get a sample data also from Magento Connect website. Once you download it, just create a database in the way I have created just few minutes back, and then install it. We will install, after that we will install our package, and then we will go for installing a theme, and then we will discuss CMS, static bugs, CMS widgets, creating categories, creating different products, latest products, recently new products, and displaying static blocks into categories, creating logo in Photoshop, displaying developer paths, and displaying product categories in homepage. All these points we will be going to discuss in this video. So we'll be discussing lots of important features about Magento. So if you want to learn, if you want to know more and more about Magento, so please watch this complete tutorial so that you can understand more and more concepts about Magento framework. Okay? We just go for installation. To install, go to your browser, just type 127.1/, type in the name of your package which you have copied in your XAMPP folder, store, then enter. Now it has taken us to the first step of our installation. Click I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click continue. Okay, then just click continue again. Here I want not to separate it with MySQL. Just type in 127.0.0.1, and then type in your WS name, store, then type in the user and password which we have created in PHP myadmin after creating the database. So just type in database name. Username is same as our store, and write down the password. Prefix Magento store, and then here it's asking where you would like to store your session data. I will just click database and then continue. Now it will take some time. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to go from configuration to create admin account. So till then we will look into our website more carefully, or we will see how I have created this website. As I have said earlier, I have created a customized logo for this. You can see I have created this in Photoshop, and I have created after that. So you can see I have created lots of categories here: jewelry, jeans, shirts, t-shirts, shoes, and watches. But in this tutorial, I will be creating all these categories because it will be taking too much time to create all these categories, subcategories, and adding products into each category. So I will be creating only categories for this tutorial, and I will show you how to create a static block. As I said earlier, this complete code is a static block. If not dynamic one, you have dynamic a static also. And if you come here, you can see here the list product widget, new product widget, recently new products, and we will step by step we will learn how to add these widgets and static block in our website. Now if you click on the category, we will take this to that category. It takes some time to load. See, now I am in jewelry category. Here you can see here also I have added a static block, and here you can see these are the key categories which comes from the jewelry category. If you click one of the categories, so one of the subcategories, it will show you a product which is there in that category. You can see this is the product and you can also see the bracelet category. Now on different images, you can see different type of bracelets available in your store. If you want, you can add any of the product to your cart. Here you can see there are 2 products already been added to the cart, and I want to add one more product. So just click on any product, and then quantity you can increase the quantity of the product. Okay, and just click on add to cart. product is been added to the cart, or your cart is been updated with the new product. Okay, here you can see 3 products has been added to your cart. If you want, you can proceed to checkout, or if you want to make some further for the shopping, then you can select any of the category. Just click on one of the product, that is short sleeves. Then you can also add this also to your cart. Here you can see your product is been also added to your cart. Now your cart is been updated with 4 products. Okay, in this video tutorial, let's take some little bit more time. Okay, now we have come to our next step. You can update this with your details. Username, you need to create a user and password. These are the passwords which will be asking you at the time of logging into your backend. So just click on continue. When your installation has been completed, now it's telling you to either go to your front end or back end. Please first go to front end. Okay, and now go to the back end. Now just enter your credentials. Now it has taken us to the backend of Magento. Okay, here you can see Magento comes with the default theme, that is the responsive theme RWD theme. Okay, any Magento installation comes with one default theme, and if you want to update your Magento framework with the latest theme, or if you want to upload or download any other theme, you can download that by going to Magento Connect website. From there you can download different kinds of themes available there. Okay. Now we will start our tutorial by creating our categories. Okay, one by one we will create all these categories. So let's go to backend. When you log into your Magento backend, you can see some messages will pop out at the top of your window saying you have index management cache, or your indexes are expire, or it expires. So what you need to do is you need to click on system, and then click on index management, select all, and then re-index, submit. Then all your indexes will get re-indexed. Then most of the time also you will get a notification for cache management. Once it's appear, I will tell you how to clear those caches. So now let us create the categories. So in order to create the categories, click on catalog and manage categories. As I said earlier, in this video tutorial I will be creating only 3 categories. So by clicking on manage categories, we have come to a new window. Here it's asking you to create a category. Okay, here you can see there is a default category, and there are 2 options: add root category or add subcategory. You always need to create your categories inside the default category. Here you can see there is a default category option available. Just click on that. After clicking on default category, click on add subcategory, and that subcategory will be appear inside this default category. So just yes, I want to make it as active. So just copy and paste it over here. this category in my navigation. So just save the category. Here you can see the newly created category jewelry has been created inside default category. Okay, you just need to remember this, that you need to, before creating a new category, you have to click on the default category option here, and then you need to click on add subcategory, and then create a new category as jeans. Yes, I want to make it as active. Jeans also. Copy, paste. Yes, I want to include it in our navigation, and then click on subcategory. Here it's showing 0 because there are no subcategories inside the main category jewelry. Okay, now you can see I have created another categories, and then I want to create one more category. So just click on default category, and I want to create new category as shirts. Click on add subcategory. Yes. Shirts. Copy. Paste it over here. Oh, sorry. It has to be shirts. Okay. Now save it. And now let us see our website. I'll just refresh your website, and you can see 3 categories are displaying here, but we did created subcategories for each category. That's not showing here. So now let us create subcategories. Here you can see each category. Each category are having some subcategories like bracelets, chain, and earrings. So we will be creating the subcategories now. So in order to create subcategories, you need to click on main category and click on add subcategory. Bracelets, bracelets, copy, paste, and then click on save category. You can see one subcategory is created under the main category. Now I want to create 2 more subcategories inside here. So just click on that subcategory. Chains. Yes. Save it. Create one more category, one more subcategory, then add subcategory. Yes. Okay, that is Control C and then paste it. As Control V. Save category. And now come to jeans. In jeans again I have to create 3 more categories like skinny jeans, slim jeans, and straight cut jeans. Click on add subcategory. Skinny jeans. Save category. One more category. Oh, sorry. Think here. Save jeans. Click add subcategory. Save jeans. So the category. Again, how to create one more category, subcategory for cheese. Straight cut cheese. Yes. Straight cut cheese. Just copy and paste. Now we need to create subcategories for shirts. Down, cut away. Click on add subcategory. Down. Okay. Paste here. Again, create a subcategory. Cut away. Paste it here. Pressing Ctrl V. Save a category. And the next one is spread. Click on shirts. And then click on add subcategory for that category for the one category shirts. Spread. Save the category. Now I have created subcategories for each one category. Now if you come to your website and click on Magento, and you can see all the subcategories have been displayed here. Okay, but they didn't have any products because we have not created any products yet. So now I will show you how to create this static block, and then we will start adding products to our categories. So in order to create this static block, you need to go to your backend, click on CMS, and then go for static blocks. Okay, now click on add new block. Give a name to your block as banner, identify as banner, then click on show hide editor, and then click insert image. Okay, here you can see there is you might be getting some error like the directory is not writable or directory is not writable as server. Okay, so in order to fix this error, you need to go to your server where your folder is being placed. In htdocs, you need to go to your Magento package, and inside media, here there has to be one folder by the name as WYSIWYG. So it's not there, so we need to create it now. Okay. Now again, once you create the whole, now again tell it just come to your server, XAMPP or WAMP or MAMP, whichever is being used by you. Then come to htdocs, then open your current package, Magento package, then click on media, and then create a folder as WYSIWYG. Okay, once you create this folder, now close this and just again click on static block, add new block, click on banners, and click on show hide, and then insert image. Now you can see that error is good. The system is not showing that error, and that error is being removed. Now browse for the file. Okay, come to desktop, okay. Open the store and click on banner. Okay, now click on upload file. The image has been uploaded. Now click on that. After clicking, click on insert file. your image is been uploaded as a static block. Now save it. Now if you come here and click on it, you won't get that image, you won't get that static block, because you need to create a widget in order to display that static block in your home page. So we have to create a widget now. So in order to create a widget, click on CMS and then click on widget and then add new widget instance. Select the widget type. In Magento you will be having some different types of widgets available. You might be creating CMS page link widget, CMS static block widget, catalog, category link, and catalog new products list, product in catalog, product link. There are a list of different widgets available based on your requirements or based on your needs. You will be creating new widget. But right now my requirement is to create a CMS static block, so that's why I will be creating CMS static block and then select the theme. See, my theme is RWD default. This is the default theme of Magento. Now click continue. Okay, now give a name to your widget. I will be in this manner and give a sort order. The sort order is the order in which your widgets or your static blocks will be displayed in your home page. Okay, here you can see this static block is displaying first, that's why it has the sort order as 1, and this it has the sort order as 2, this has the sort order as 3, and so on. So this is static block comes first, that's why your sort order will be 1. Now go for add here. Okay, click on the page where you want to display this static block. Now I want to look for some specific page, that is the home page. Since home page is not being mentioned here, that's why I will be selecting the specific page. So after selecting the specific page, it will show us the list of locations where you can place that static block in your website. So here one of the pages CMS home page. That's where actually I want to place my static block. So select CMS home page, then select the alias page header, and then come for widget options. Here you need to select the static block which you have created in just a few minutes back. So here you need to select the static block banner and save. Okay, now you can see here it's showing one of the notification as cache management. At the time of installation, the moment when we finished the installation, it was showing an error as index management. Now it's showing the cache management. So to get rid of this error or notification, we need to go to system, go to cache management, and select. Before that, I want to show you the changes. See, your changes, whatever block you have created, is not been displayed here, or the changes that you have made with the latest static block is not been displayed here because there is a notification saying that you need to clear your cache. That means once we clear the cache, our changes will be reflected on the home page. So just refresh all the caches. Once you clear the cache, and now come to your site, and you can see the static block is been displaying here. Okay, now I want to change this image to my customized logo. So in order to do that, you need to find where this what is the location of this image. Just right click on this and then click on inspect. Right click on this and go for inspect. Here you can see here you will find the location of this image. We need to go to our package and then skin and then front end RWD. This is here. We need to go to our package. We need to open our package and then we need to go to skin and then front end, and then RWD. Since our theme is the RWD, so we need to go to RWD folder and then click on default. Here you will see all the images, and there is one of the images logo. So we need to change this logo with our newly created one. Okay, here you can see I have created this image in Photoshop. Just copy it. To copy it, you just have to rename it, paste it. Okay, now refresh our page. Okay, something is wrong here. Let's just clear the cache again. Submit. Refresh. You will see it takes the operation. Okay, now our logo is being replaced with our newly added image. I just want to show in our backend where this the location that is been associated to this logo is being stored, that the position of this logo and this message. Okay, now just come to your system, go to configuration, and come click on design over here. Here you can see the package details. Our packages are the logo. Okay, themes. Okay. If you want to load any different theme, then you need to make some changes over here. Then header, you can see images logo.gif. I'm speaking about the information regarding this logo is being stored here, and default welcome message. What you can see here, default welcome message. We can change it also as welcome to my online store. Just save it. Okay. Now you can see, refresh. Here, see, welcome to my online store. Default welcome message is will replaced with the welcome to my online store. Okay. Now we have created a static block, and I have explained you how to create a static block and how to link that static block with one of the widget. With the help of widget, we are displaying a static block here. Okay, now we will start adding products to our categories. So in order to create products, first we need to this doesn't we have put here home page, showing home page title. So we need to get rid of it. So to remove it, go to CMS, click on pages, and one of the pages is home page. So click on that and click on content. So here is the text which you show here, which you can see here. Okay. So just click on the show and hide option. Okay, click on this and save. Why I have entered this p tag is because if you remove this and if you didn't enter anything in this text area or in this place, and if you go for save it will show you an error. So that has to be something. So just save the page. Now view the changes. You can see that home page is been removed. Here you can see our home page is having some layout. Okay, here our home page is of two sections layout. Okay, here you can see one column. Here we are having only one column layout, but here we are having two columns. There is a column from here to here, and there is another column from here to here. So we need to change it to one column. So to do that, we need to click on home page. I just want to show you that also. See, for home page the layout is in two column with right bar. So right bar is is displaying here, so we need to change it to one column. So just click on that and go to design and change the layout as one column, and now save it. Okay, again it's telling us to add some content. Now save it and refresh it. This will be removed, the right bar will be removed. See, now the two column layout is been converted into one column layout. Now we will start adding products. Before that we will just clear the cache, select all and submit. Okay, now to create the products, click on catalog and go click on manage products. Okay, here it has taken you to this screen where you can create the products. Okay, just click on add product, default, and then click on simple products. Here you can see there are some list of different kinds of products available here, but in this video we will be discussing only on simple product, group product, configurable product, virtual product, bundle product, downloadable product. We will discuss all these different kinds of products in our upcoming video tutorials, which I will be making in after few days. Okay, but for this tutorial we will be discussing only on simple products. So just click on that and you can continue. Now we need to start creating products. So search as bracelet, click for this bracelet, then press Control V, paste it here again, and click on one. Just I'm just entering some dummy data over here. Okay, weight is 50, because this is just a tutorial here. I'm just telling you how to use this framework. That's why I'm entering here some dummy data. So select the enable, and country of manufacture is India. And this price will be let's say $100. And if you want to do some special prices to your product, or if you want to also set some special prices to your each and every product, you can enter some special value, and then select tax class name, and the information, and enter the same information here also. Just paste over here, and then select images, browse for the images, show the bracelets, select the images on the one, and just upload all at once. Now you can see all the images have been uploaded. Now you will just need to be careful while selecting this option. So you need to select all these options. Okay, all these options, thumbnail, small image, and base image. Otherwise your images won't be displayed in your product categories. Okay, you can design, select the as default order ready, and inventory as 20 as 100, and I want to display that I have stock in my I have that product in my stock. Just go to categories, select the categories in which you want to place the product. So I'm going to place this bracelet. Okay, here also you need to make sure that you click both these check boxes, because if you click only this as bracelet, the product will be added, product will be displayed only bracelet category. It won't be displayed when you click geometry category. Like if you click on here, it won't display your product. It's displaying all the products because I have selected all this. I have selected these two options here. If you select only one, your products won't be displayed here. Okay, I hope you understand all this. So just save it. Okay, now we have created one product. Let us see the output. Just refresh it. Okay, you can't see the bracelets. Okay, you can see there is a product has been created. Okay, now just click on jewelry. Here also the product has been created. Just see there is a 3-column layout for this page. I will tell you how to change the layout for main category and for your product category also. So before that, let us just create all the products as soon as possible. We'll just try to finish it off creating products very fast. Okay. Now just click on add new product again. Select one simple product and then continue. Now change, copy, and then wait for it. Status would be enabled, and then India, yes, and just paste it, and now select the images for chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and upload files, and select these 3 options, and design okay for the video. Inventory, yes, I have that product in my stock. Go for categories, select jewelry, and now you have to select chains because we have added chain as a product. So just save it. And now let us add one more product for jewelry. Click continue. Now use copy, paste, just create the 3. Okay, country of manufacturer is India. Yes. No, access is no. Other information. Now upload the images for the floor. Select each image one by one. 5th, 6th, and then upload and select hovering it on it to be you can see the images. Okay. Now all the images have been uploaded. Now come to design, select IWD and then go for inventory. Go for categories, select jewelry 11 score, save it, and now come to your page and refresh it. Okay, you can see you will have 3 products available in your jewelry category, and these products are not being shown in your home page because in order to show the products in your home page you need to display with the help of widgets. Okay, once we will be adding, once we will finish adding all these products, then we will start working on widgets. Okay, now let us add 2 more products for different categories. Let's continue, and skin jeans. Okay, just copy it and paste this keyword before mirror, and city of Madrid not available now for price. Text class is none. Images, we have the images, skin jeans, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now just upload all these files. Okay, now your images have been uploaded. Let's select on these video buttons. Go to design and select the design theme, elementary. Okay, select install and categories. Jeans, skinny jeans. Okay, and now save. And now let us create 2 more products for our same and straight cut jeans. Add new product. Continue. Okay. Jeans. Copy. Paste it here. And this is the fifth row. It is 20. Price. I'm selecting the same data because I need to move fast from here. So this is the tutorial that I'm using the data. Images, select the images. Skin jeans. Save it. Okay, now let us create the product. Okay, settings are same. Click on gender and then okay. Straight jeans. Straight jeans, just copy it. Paste. This would be 6. And city of manufacturers area. Okay, special price. Text will be none. Information of images. Now select the images. Fifth one. Now upload these images. Okay. For design, inventory. Okay, now save it. Now I have added 3 more products in one of my main categories, that is jeans. Now if you refresh it, okay, now for jeans, here you can see slim jeans and straight cut jeans have been showing. Sorry, slim jeans is showing you an image, but straight cut is not showing, and skinny jeans is also not showing here. We need to fix that. Okay, skinny jeans is not showing, right? Now click on skinny jeans, go to categories, You see, this is what I was talking about. So just few minutes back. Now you can see skin jeans is not displaying here because I have clicked. Now I have clicked on jeans and I'm not getting skin jeans. That means I have not clicked on here. So if I save it and if I come to my home page and click on skinny jeans, you will see skinny jeans is now displaying, and straight cut jeans is not the there is not an image for straight cut jeans, so there must be some problem with the straight cut jeans product settings. So just click on that. Now go for images, and you can see here I have not checked this radio buttons for straight cut jeans. That's why the image is not been showing here. So now with these errors, I hope all of you have understood what steps we need to take care if these errors gets appear while you are working with Magento framework. Okay. Now if I click on jeans, you can see straight cut. There is a you can see an image is being displayed for straight cut jeans. Now let us create products for the shirts category. Just click on add product and click on continue. Shirts, okay. Just copy it. Now this is 7. Enable. Special price. Paste it over here. Images. Browse for the images. Shirts, okay. Shirts, first shirt. Okay, button down. Horizontal and change it to button down. Okay. Okay. Now information also. Button down, images, browse for images, shirts, button down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Upload the files. Now select all these radio buttons and come for design tab. Select install categories and click on save. And let us create one more product first. Click on continue. Then now click on self gender and click this. Okay. Reasonable price. Okay. Text class is new. Data information. Okay. Select category. save it. Now we have created most of our products. Okay, now let us refresh our page. Shirts. You see, we have created two products on the shirts. That's the bottom of the middle. So those two shirts are displaying here. Okay. Now we need to work on displaying these images or displaying these products on the home page. So in order to, as I said before, if you want to display the products on your products on home page, you need to display with the help of widgets. So how to create a widget? So first we need to go to CMS and click on this side, click on widgets and add a new widget. Widget type is now I'm creating, now I want to show my products on my home page, so I want to select catalog new product list widget here. So previously I was about to display a static block page, so I have selected this CMS static block, but right now I have different that I want to display the list of my products on home page, so that I am selecting catalog new product list. Okay. Different out of view. And one more thing, these are some widget types that we can create under widget section. Okay. If you want to display recently compared products on your home page, you need to create a widget with the widget type recently compared products. And if you want to create a recently viewed products as a if you want to display recently viewed products in your home page, you need to select a widget with a type of recently viewed products. Okay, now I want to create a so I want to click on catalog new product list. Just continue. Previously we have entered sort order as well, and now we want to display this latest products below this static block, and this static block is named as an order sort order as well. So whatever will be coming next to it will as the sort order as 2. Okay. Now select the page, select the specified page and select on home page. This block is main content area because I want to display my products on main content area. So here it's telling whether you want to display the product in the form of a grid or in the form of a list. So let us create or display our products in the form of a grid and use it option. Okay, here it's asking me to display the type all products. I want to display all the products. Okay. Display page control. Here it's asking you whether you want to display the page control or the navigation symbols, or if you want to display your products in the form of a navigation, you can also display that. Now let's see how it will happen if we select yes, display page control yes. Okay. And if we select no, the number of products will display 10. Okay. So now this is our work on the page control, so that's why I have entered only 10 numbers here. Now save it. Now we have created a latest products widget. So let us see our website. We should see our products below this static block. I refresh it. Now we won't be able to see the product because we need to clear the cache here. So click on system and go to cache management, select all options and submit. And now again we will over and refresh. You can see all the products are displayed here, all the new products. If you had selected the page controls, so if you you had selected display the products in the form of page control. Selected. Now okay. Save it. Now you can see products like this after changing page control. Okay. Let's see. What's the problem? We have to clear the cache also. So let's do submit. Refresh it again. Okay, so the page controls are displaying here. Here's the difference between normal widget and a page control. I don't want this page control in my page, so I will change it to the previous one. Okay, widget options. I don't want page controls. Cache this. You can see previous kind of grid kind of product layout. Okay, now I want to show you how recently viewed products will be displayed on the home page by using widgets. So to do that, we need to see or we need to view some products. Then only we can display those products in our home page. Okay. Click on leads. Okay. For changes. Okay. For shirts. Okay. Now spread. Okay, I haven't added any new folder. I haven't created any product folder. And company earnings. Okay, now I have most of the products. And if you go to your home page, okay, none of the products are displaying because we have only viewed our products. We haven't created any widget or display view products on our home page. So now we will just go to Backend. Now again we need to create a widget the way we did for the latest product widget. Just add widget instance. Now we need to select recently viewed products. Finished before. Okay. Select specified page and CMS home page. Select main content area, and I want to display this also as a grid. Select widget option. Here it's asking us how many products we want to display as a view products. So I want to display only 5 products. Just save it. And again, just clear the cache, otherwise we won't be able to see the products. Submit it. Now come again. Okay, you can see whatever products we have viewed a few minutes back, those products will be displayed. Now you know how to display new products as a widget and recently viewed products as a widget on your home page, right? and also here the color is going to change, so I want to take the same color. This color, just copy it, just right click on this and click on inspect, then search for this color here. You see, I can get this color and see just okay. This line of code is highlighting this section here. That means we need to, you can see the color is being present here, and this color will if you want to see the line of code where this color is being mentioned, you just need to put your cursor on this styles.css. You will get a path. You can see the file is present under skin frontend RWD default CSS. Okay, now we need to go to that location. Online store, online store, skin frontend RWD default CSS, and open this. Okay, now we need to see the line number 3039. Okay, now refresh this. See, the color is being changed now. Now if you want to bring this to the center, just put your cursor on this text and right click and click inspect, and let's see 3135, right, just disable this and press text align to center. Okay, and just copy that as Ctrl C and see the position in style of server 31, see the location 3159, 3159. Okay, 3159. Just save it and bring this text to the center. Okay, let me press on to the center. Now click on this image. Okay, now everything is done. Okay, you can see I have created exactly the same website what I have created here. Okay, this is the previous website. This is the same website what I had shown you at the beginning of this tutorial. Here I had created this seller box also. Okay, so in order to create this seller widget, what you need to do is whatever we did for this, okay, whatever we did to create this kind of widgets, you have to do the same thing. First, what you have to do, you need to go to Magento Connect, where you need to log in with your credential and then select on theme. There will be an option of theme, or you don't need to select on theme. There will be a search box available. Okay, there will be a search box available. Then just write. Okay, or else you can do this thing. Just take this URL. Well, you can first explain your steps. Just write this. Extensions in that search box. One of the extension would be this one. Okay, this particular widget. One of the extension would be this extension, and then select on And before that you need to select free. There will be an option as free. You need to click on that, then only you will be getting free extensions. For that you don't have to pay any amount. So after entering this seller extension in search box, you will be getting some extensions below that. After that you need to click on free section, and then you will get free extensions for best seller. Then you will get a best seller extension. Just click on that and just get a code like this, or you just copy this code and go to system, Magento login. You just have to paste that code here and then install. Okay, then automatically that particular widget will display here, and then you can do all these things. Don't worry, I will create a different separate video tutorial how to display best seller products on your home page. Apart from this video, I will create one different or separate video tutorial for that. Okay. Now you know how to create your online store using Magento, how to create your products, how to create your categories. Okay. And how to I hope all of you understood what is a static block, how to create a static block, and how to create all this dynamic widgets, how to bring products in on your home page, how to display recently viewed products on your home page. I hope you might have got some useful information out of this video tutorial, and all this information might be useful for you in your upcoming education. Okay. And one more thing I just want to tell you guys, this developer option. Okay. If you want to customize, if you want to go into customization or customizing this theme, and if you want to write any code to customize any kind of block in this website, so you just before that you have to know where these sections are appear, where these sections are, where you will get the code where you will get the code or source files to modify each and every sections in this block. Each and every Magento of different blocks. Okay, this one is different block, this one is block, this one is block. Everything is made up of blocks. So you need to find out where these blocks are present in your Magento folder. So in order to do that, in order to identify the location of those blocks, developers of Magento develop or given a feature by which we can easily find the location of any block. So to do that, we need to click on system, click on configuration. Okay. Now click on main website. And then go for developers tab. Then click on Google. Here is template pathways. Just click on plus and save. And just refresh it. You will see different paths available here. It's showing where this particular block is present in your Magento folder. Okay. With this, it will be easy for the developers who wants to make any customization in their websites. Okay, who are very good in customization. They whoever wants to make changes to the existing template or existing block, they can find the location of that particular block here, and they can go to that folder and make changes into that particular block. Okay, this is something which you guys need to know. Apart from this, apart from just creating categories and adding products into each category. Okay, now I just want to disable it. And one more thing also. Here, once you click on the category page has a layout, has 3-column layout, 1, 2 and 3, and sometimes the situation arises that you don't require 3 columns layout for your category, for your main categories. You might be you might want only 2-column layout. So how to change that? How to change this existing layout? So just come to your backend, click on manage categories, catalog and manage categories. Here just click on category and select custom design. Here there is an option as page layout. Just select two columns with right bar and then save it. Okay, by doing that, when you come to your page and refresh the page, now you have 3 columns layout for your jewelry category. Now if you refresh it, you will have only 2 columns layout. This one looks better than the previous one, so you can make changes like this. And now if I want to I want to do the same settings for all my categories. Select this one also and select shirts. Save this category also. Okay, and now if you come and click on jeans, you can see the same layout is been taken out for jeans and shirts. And if you come for product categories, now also here also you can see there is a 3-column layout, and if you want to change it to 2-column layout, you can do that by going to each subcategory. Just it has 2 columns. Sorry, 2 columns of right one subcategory. Save it. Okay, now come for other categories. Save it. Okay. Save it again. Okay, and just refresh it. See, previously it was 3-column, now it has been changed to 2-column layout. And one more thing, if you click on jewelry, and this is the previous one, okay, if I click on jewelry, I can see there is an image at the top of each subcategory, each product subcategories. So how to display this static image at the top of any category list? So as I said earlier also, this is a static block, and I have told you how to create a static block. But for this kind of setting, it's a different setting. Okay, it's not same way what we have done for this. Okay, the way how we did for this static block, it's different for this. Okay, let's just do this. Just click on category and display setting. Just here products. Okay, here you need to display you need to put into display mode products only was mentioned here. You need to select static block products. Okay, and CMS block. CMS block, you don't have any I don't have any CMS block for this, so I just have to create it. Just create a static block, CMS, and click on static block and then add static block. Jewelry block, okay. Jewelry block, enable, and then insert an image. Browse for files. There is an image available. I will just upload this file. Click on it and insert file, and then just click on save. And now again go for categories. Click on manage categories. Select on jewelry and select this as static block and products, and here you can see there is a static block is appear. Just this is the same one which I have created just 1 minute back. Select on jewelry block and save category. Okay, now if you come to your site and click on jewelry, you can see a static block has been displayed at the top of your products list. Okay, and now I have covered most of the features which I had spoke with you at the beginning of this video tutorial. I hope all of you have understood most of the concepts in Magento, and you will make use of all these concepts in your upcoming projects. And if you like this video, then just click there is a small button of like is available there. If you like this video, just click on that, and if you like this video, then you can subscribe also to my channel. Share it with your friends, share it with your other friends in social media networks, so that more and more people can see this video and take advantage of this video tutorial of Magento. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Yes.